Okay, let's see what happens now. Okay, so now we've got spheres rolling around the floor, which is quite cool. And I use the random hills terrain, so they're all kind of collecting in this kind of hole in that world. And then the other thing that we can do is we can actually have a random color here instead of these the yellow and the red kind of color, coral, I think it might be. What I can do is have a random color instead. So I'm going to go to materials. And this block here says random color. And if I click and hold that and then I drag it on top of the color block like that, then it will do a random color. So let's just see what happens to the box. So they're all random colors now. So I'm going to do the same thing to the sphere. So just click it once to highlight it, press D to duplicate it and bring it down there, and then press play. And now they're all doing random colours, which is pretty fun. Excellent. So here is your checklist reminder of all of those steps that we just took in our Shape Chaos project. So remember, we've got this random colour thing now, which is quite exciting because every single cube or sphere will be a random colour. And remember, we've got add physics as well. So make sure when you did it the second time that it's adding it to sphere one. So you've added sphere one, and then the second add physics should also say sphere one. So just checking those names are the same if it's not quite working for you. Brilliant. So here is our career spotlight, and the career spotlight for this lesson is a technical director. Now, a technical director helps make sure a game runs smoothly, and they set rules for how much the game can use the computer so it doesn't slow down or crash. They help the team fix technical problems. Now, you might have decided to put repeat a million times, and this might have slowed down your browser a little bit. It probably didn't crash, but it might have. But you've got to think about, I need to make my project really, really fun and exciting, but I don't want to crash the computer. Because if this was a real game in the real world, we would really upset our users if the game always crashed. So your job is to make it as exciting as possible without crashing the browser. So if you put a really, really long number in that repeat loop, yes, it's lots of fun, but think about your user. Think about finding that sweet spot where it's really, really exciting, but it doesn't slow down and crash the browser. So your job is technical director.